welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name's Andrew.
Today we're going to teach you Python.
Today we're going to teach you string helper function. So first I'm going to create a file.
I'm going to name it helper.py. And first we're going to do
message equals string.capitalize first message. Then print message. Message equals second message dot capitalize. Then print message. Message equals third message print message dot capitalize.
So the capital string helper function is going to make the first letter of the message into a capitalized. So right here in the first message, the first letter is the F. So it's going to capitalize the F, the S right here, and the T right here. Okay, let's save it with Control S and go to the terminal. Type py help.py. Oh, it's py helper.py. It says first message, second message, and third message with the first letters capitalized. So we're going to delete this and do
message equals hello world. Print message dot lower. Then print message dot upper.
So the upper function will make all the letters
uppercase.
Yeah, and the lower will make all the letters lowercase.
Then message equals message dot title.
The title function will make the first letters of each word into a capitalized.
Then print message. Then print message dot swapcase.
So the swapcase function
is
going to swap the lowercase to an uppercase and the uppercase to a lowercase. Let's save it. And you can use your up arrow to copy what you last typed in the terminal. Okay. It says hello world, hello world, hello world, hello. So the first one is all lowercase. Then the next one is with the upper function, so they're all uppercase. Then the next one has title function, so the first letters of each word is uppercase, and the swap case is
swapping the title.
Yeah. The first letters of each word are lowercase, and the other letters in the word are uppercase.
Which looks weird for me.
Yeah. I'm going to delete this and do
location equal Mississippi. Then print location dot count S.
So the count function is going to count how many of a letter is in Mississippi. Yeah, in Mississippi.
So how many S's are in Mississippi? I don't know.
Let's save it. We're going to run it. It says 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's 4.
Okay. I'm going to delete this and do
print. How many letters in this string?
So the len function is going to count how many letters is in this string in the print. Okay.
It's including spaces.
Yeah. Okay.
No.
Then I'm going to save it and run it.
32.
32.
Yeah, there's 32 of them.
Okay, then I'm going to do
message equal race car.
okay.
Then print message
Starts with R. Print message dot starts with
A.
And print message dot starts with RA. Okay. So the starts with function is gonna like return a true or false, depending if it's true or false. If
the word is start with an R, the word start with an A, or start with an RA.
Okay.
Then print message dot
ends with
R. Then print message dot ends with A. Then print message that ends with AR.
So the ends with function is just like the starts with function, except the ends with function,
if it ends with that.
Yeah, okay, so let's save it, and then run it.
True, false, true, true, false, true.
Okay, that was fun. Okay, so it all worked today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.